Here's how to fix Western Union session expired error. So the first thing that you're going to do is to try a basic troubleshooting. First is you can go ahead and try to delete the history of the browser that you've been using, or you can just go ahead and try a new browser for you to be able to log into a new Western Union app or account. Next is you can go ahead and try to force stop your Western Union application, or you can just go ahead and try to delete the app and try to reinstall it once again. If any of the basic troubleshoot is not going to work, here's how to contact the customer care support. First, you can go to Google Safari or any browser that you have and search for Western Union Customer Service, and you will be redirected to their hotline or to their website where you can go ahead and have a live chat with an agent. So as you can see, you can go ahead and click on chat with us. And once you click on the chat with us options, you will be able to see there the AI agent, or you can ask them for a live agent to assist you. You can also go ahead and track the transfer or anything that has been solved to your problem. Next is you can go ahead and give them a call and a live agent will assist you through phone assist. You can dial this using your phone or any device that you have. Next is you have to make sure that you have turned on your Wi-Fi connection to avoid experiencing this kind of problems.